No one can follow your footsteps, my manager said, following what I had successfully delivered. Let me power you within. Hi, kia ora. I'm Celine, an IT consultant, a corporate and business intuitive, a well-being mentor, and a governance and crisis advisor. And I'm going to share a story with you on intuition. One day, I was contracted to lead a project to implement an urgent software solution. I wasn't told any timeline until I started, but I had become a specialist for project accelerations. When I first heard the governance timeline request, it challenged my belief system, and I'm very positive. For 2 days, while waiting for sign-off, I went within to prepare and came to trust. Trust that if someone can deliver this, it's someone like me. It really felt as if I was taking on a mission impossible without the action movie behaviors. The vendor advised that this system normally takes 4 to 6 months to implement, and 3 weeks had never been done in any countries they operate in. I got given everything, my own room to zoom in, everything in it, though a very small team. I found ways to accelerate everything, including my understanding of everything and everyone involved. The rest became history. I've never been so thanked by a governance in my consulting career. They had asked it in 3 weeks, but they didn't believe it was actually possible. Some people still think it was a miracle. My intuition, intuitive intelligence, mixed with my IQ and EQ, gave me the ability to see the big picture down to the key details, moment by moment, and take the correct next step to drive the best outcomes. What if your organization could achieve so much more with my help? That effective and efficient guidance of your programs of work.